Make a smoothie. Okay, put this in there. Put some of this in there. Put it in there. Okay, big girl. Put some in there, Naya. Make this a smoothie. Put some more, Leah. Put some more. Gigi gotta have some more. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. All right. Okay, that's enough, baby. Okay, now put the fruit in there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Where's my banana? I got the banana. Don't eat it. Put it in the blender. Here, Leah. Don't push it.
What's her name?
Wait a minute. One more piece. Get that piece. Put it in there. Okay. No, don't mash the button. Wait a minute. You like it? You like it? You do?
She can't like it.
Here, Leah. You want some?
She can't like it.
You like it? Okay. It's good. I told you it was good.